What is going on, everybody? My name is Marissa Romero, and in today's video we are going to talk about Shopify print on demand for beginners, a couple of hacks you can use to start getting your 1K days online with your Shopify store. Welcome back, everyone, and I just want to say thanks for arriving on this video and my channel. My name is Marissa Romero, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, because what you will expect on this channel is a whole bunch of advice on making money online. That goes for e-commerce, affiliate marketing, just general internet marketing, help with Facebook ads, sales funnels, that type of thing. Just everything you could think of to improve your online business. So if that's something you're interested in, glad to have you here. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, or leave me a comment of something you would like to see in the future, because that is what I thrive on, is your feedback on how I create my videos, and I would really appreciate the help. Okay, so in this video, I wanted to talk about print on demand for beginners, because last year I was able to have, a pretty significant amount of sales in my Shopify store. I did about $32,000 within 3 months, I think it was. It'll show up right here somewhere. And so it was pretty cool because I was brand new to being online, and I was fortunate enough to just kind of grind every day, figure out Shopify, building up a store, figure out Facebook ads, and I started off selling custom hoodies and also custom shoes. And what I wanted to do is kind of lay out the steps on what you need to do if you are a beginner in print on demand in Shopify. And I would just say that print on demand is awesome because it allows you so much flexibility, and you control the quality of the design and also the quality of which products you pick to drop ship on. So you can control what products your designs are printed on. So what app company you're going to use to print the products on your clothes, your coffee cups, your shower curtains, tote bags, whatever it is. And that's what's pretty cool, because eventually you can, when you scale this thing to 6 figures and beyond, you can even have manufacturers in the United States that will maybe provide just a little bit higher quality of whatever product you want your designs printed on. Okay, so what I want to do is just go through some of the main steps that you need as a brand new print on demand store owner. So of course, step 1 is obvious, but I got to put it in there, and that is building your online store. And a lot of people, I've recommended other e-com platforms in the past, but I now stick to only Shopify, because Shopify has been around and it's robust and it has everything you need to build and, most importantly, scale your business. Okay, so building online Shopify store. So that's, getting your store set up, getting your domain set up, your brand, your logo, all that good stuff. And then step 2, what you have to do is think of a niche, but don't be too niche specific when you're choosing a niche for your online store. So for example, if you wanted to have a print-on-demand store full of hoodies, leggings, t-shirts, those type of apparels, and even shoes, you want to pick a niche that's flexible. So for example, if you pick a niche that deals with all types of professions, so like nursing, policemen, firefighters, engineers, teachers is a big one, people that, even it could be hobbies. So you could create a store that's based on, hobbies, professionals, and things that people are really passionate about. So you want to pick a niche, but make sure it is flexible, so that way you can have a lot of flexibility with your designs in the future of your store, because you can test out all different types of niches and all different types of designs. So those are the first 2 steps with print on demand. Next step would be, of course, to add print on demand apps to your Shopify store. So add POD apps. There's for t-shirts, everyone knows about T-Launch and Teespring. There's Printful. There's Pillow Profits, which is a paid print-on-demand app. I think it's like 30 or 40 bucks a month. I could be wrong. but just pick an app or pick several apps that you can implement into your store and integrate them right away so that you can start making designs on different products. Okay, now step 4, after you integrate and add the apps, is you want to create 5 different designs. So what I mean by that is you want to go to, can you still see this? Okay, kind of. So a little bit got cut off. But what you want to do is you want to go to Upwork.com or Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com. So you want to go to either one of those 2 websites and have a vendor create 5 different mock-ups of a design. And the key here is to not do a design in all types of different niches. You want to have them create 5 different designs in one niche. So let's say nursing, and you want to put it on shoes. You want to have them create a design that has different types of symbols in nursing, maybe has a saying. So because you want to test out one niche at a time, and you don't want to make the mistake of having someone do a design for engineers, animal lovers, policemen. You're going to go crazy testing and it's not going to work, especially when you're starting out. So that's my huge tip, is definitely to stick to one category within your niche when you're first testing, okay? And kind of get the hang of creating designs and testing, creating designs and testing. All right, and one more thing before I switch to my computer is step 5 is doing design research. And of course, that could be, some people may be a little bit intimidated by design research, but actually I love this part of print on demand because it's actually really fun. So let's go ahead and switch to my computer screen so I could show you how I did my design research and how you can implement these strategies right away. Okay, so one of my favorite things I like to do is doing research on Amazon for t-shirts, especially, and hoodies sometimes. So what you want to do is go ahead and type this into the search bar in Amazon. And I know it sounds like a lot, or it looks like a lot, but all you got to do is type in lightweight classic, and then the rest of this will fill in. And then what you want to do is click on the clothing category. Then you want to click on where it says clothing, shoes, and jewelry, and you'll see different brands and categories pop up. But what you want to do is come down here to where it says see more, because literally Amazon is giving you the data on what brands are the most popular. So as you can see, right now it's the end of June, so you can see that the 4th of July shirts are the most popular right now, because obviously 4th of July is coming up in 2 weeks. So that's the other thing, is you can create a store just on events. You know, you could have Christmas POD stuff, you could have 4th of July, Halloween, like the creativity is endless with print on demand, and that is why I absolutely love it. So this is how you can do reverse engineering on Amazon for different t-shirts designs. So you can, you know, get ideas like this. And the cool thing about it is you are not stealing these designs. You don't want to take this design and copy it, but what you want to do is have someone recreate the design and maybe just tweak one thing. So like I saw this one down here with Trump. Make 4th of July great again. Oh my God. I mean, I know people hate Trump, but so many people, or this shirt could definitely go viral. I mean, something like that coming up for the 4th of July, that is hilarious. I mean, I must admit, but something like that could definitely go viral. I've seen it happen in the, you know, presidential niche and stuff like that when there's like presidential campaigns and everything. Then what else is there to look at? So look at all the rest of these. You know, I've seen LGBT entire stores, which are definitely hot. Let's see, awesome dad shirts, Bud Light, camping and glamping, Skater Dater, NBC Universal. So it's super crazy. So let's click on another one. Bigfoot UFO believers. I didn't even know that was a niche, but clearly it is. So as you can see, this is where I would get my ideas. And then after I got an idea, I would then go to Upwork.com and submit a request for a design. And then I would also go to Fiverr.com and check out some vendors that you trust to do your designs for your print-on-demand products, okay? Then next, when you are inside your Shopify store, this is one of my demo stores, but what you want to do is add print-on-demand products, or I'm sorry, apps to your back office. So right here, Interest Print, Printful, and T-Launch are all print-on-demand. There's many more. Pillow Profits I used to use, but I don't anymore at the moment. But it is a good option. But let's just say we look at T-Launch, and we look at all the different types of products you can have. I mean, baby apparel, dresses, long sleeve, the unisex, what are these called? I don't even know how to say that. Anyway, hoodies, like this is super cool. And I've actually had example print-on-demand products from T-Launch, and they're pretty solid material. Yes, they're not top of the line, but people don't care about how quality something is when they're buying a print-on-demand shirt. All they care about is how it makes them feel and how prideful they are. So once you get a design done, I think the requirement is 2400 pixels. So if we want to design a tank top, since summer is coming up, you just go here, click Start Design, and then you would, view the sizing chart, pick the colors you want of options you want in your store. You would upload the design, and it will show you here up and back. Again, you gotta the file that you choose. Okay, yeah. So you have to make sure you tell the designer that it's 2400 pixels wide and are less than 50 megabytes, or else it will not show up correctly and won't show up at all on the t-shirt. So, and I just wanted to show you as I wrap up this session what the future of print on demand. This is one of my favorite print on demand stores ever. You guys can check it out. It's onlinepresales.com. And as you can see, this is not a niche specific store, but it has specific niches in them, and that is what is important for you guys to start your Shopify stores and to start to scale up to those $1,000 days, $5,000 days, because this right here is a prime example of what you need to do. So look at, they have every single type of animal lover niche. It seems like they have shoes, they have bags, bed sheets. Oh my god. So this store, I love it. It's super cool. Look at this. They have a DJ category for, I don't know, people that are DJs. Like, that's pretty cool. So this, you guys, is the future right here, I believe, of e-commerce is print on demand, just because of its authenticness, and the sky is the limit with anything you produce with print on demand. And so if you guys are interested in having more training, more in-depth topic on this subject of print on demand, go ahead and click the first link below, Ecom Like a Boss, because I will be sending out a 10-part video training on how you can build a 6-figure and 7-figure and beyond e-commerce store using print on demand, and how you could literally have a store like this if you have the will and the drive, and build super cool things that no one's ever seen to the market, and have your fresh ideas. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. And again, guys, go to Ecom Like a Boss to get signed up for that free 10-part video training. Alrighty, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.